Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the LG ThinQ app with your LG NeoChef microwave. So the model that I have is the MS4266 OBS. The first thing you need to do is go to your Google Play or your iTunes store, then search for LG ThinQ. When you've searched for it, just click on install and just let it run. Tap on open to open the app. You'll see the LG ThinQ app loading, and the startup screen will show these welcome messages. Just go through next, and then tap on sign in. You need to set up an account if you don't have an LG account. You can also use the Google authentication. So whichever you choose, just set up an account. You can tap on accept all. If you don't want to receive any marketing messages, deselect that and then press OK. Just enter your email ID to create an account. Then just sign in with those details. Add a nickname to the account. Now tap on add device to add a device. Select device. If you've got a QR code, then just scan that. But in my particular case, my microwave doesn't have a QR code. The only thing that it has at the front is the label Smart Diagnostics. So enable just the location in case you want to scan for it. Tap next, make sure it's powered on, and then it will start trying to get any device information. I'll have to manually add mine, so scroll through and select the microwave button. Now if you've got a tag on logo on your microwave, you can use it now. Just use the NFC, make sure you have NFC turned on. I don't have that. But if you've got a Smart Diagnostic logo on the top right hand corner, I'm going to use that. You will add the microwave manually onto the list, and there we go. Just click on microwave. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. Just get started, press next. Just have the phone right next to the microwave. Now hold on to the stop button, keep holding it, you'll see the lock. Keep holding it until you see the actual numbers counting down. So here we go. You hear the beeping sound. Once that stops, you see the diagnostic result, and that's it. Hope this video helped, and if you did, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.